Hello, everybody. Thank you, Pauline, so much. It's such a pleasure to be here with you all today. We're honored to be registered as part of the Climate Solutions portfolio. My name is Ryan Ripley. I'm with CleanKore. I'm the Vice President of Operations. We are based in Cleveland, Ohio, USA, in between Los Angeles and New York. And the birth of CleanKore happened. The founders of our company, we had experience in the denim finishing industry, and we had been working on sustainable ways to eliminate potassium permanganate spray, PP spray. And we've been working with some chemicals in the finishing stage, and we thought, why not go to the beginning? Why not go to where fabric is created and try to eliminate this harmful chemical where it's being banned throughout the world, where it's a top sustainability initiative to all major brands. And we looked at the denim mill. What can we do at the denim mill, at the denim dyeing range, to eliminate this process? And what we found is with CleanKore, not only can we eliminate these harmful chemicals, but also we have a incredible decarbonization initiative where we're lowering GHG emissions anywhere between 31 and 67% based on our AI research and research in the industry, all without adding any cost to the end user. Next slide. So what do we do? What is CleanKore? CleanKore is a patented, very novel, unique process where we make a series of very unique changes to the denim mill's existing dyeing equipment, from the beginning of the range to the middle of the range to the end of the range. And every single time we get a beautiful, bright white yarn core where we maintain the white yarn core, and we have just a small ring of indigo dye. As you can see on that left-hand side, that is a magnified image of the yarn core as well. So on the left is just a standard way that we've been doing this for 100 years of dyeing, and on the right side is CleanKore. Again, maintaining that integrity of the yarn core with keeping just a small ring of indigo dye at the top as well. We are not adding anything to this process. We're just using the existing equipment. So no new chemicals, no new equipment, no new added costs. And the yarn core as well too. We have done many tests at third-party laboratories such as Bureau Veritas, where we keep the fastness of that fabric, of that garment as well, throughout all the home laundry tests. We've done 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 home laundries. So even though there's a smaller ring of indigo dye, we're still keeping that integrity for all the processes and all the parameters that the brands need. The first step is creating that beautiful core, and that second step below it is creating that bright white look that potassium permanganate provides you. We want to keep that natural, authentic look without using any harmful chemicals. So the first step is at the mill, and the second step at the garment manufacturer is getting that good look. The biggest key with this is that there are no limitations with CleanKore. We can use this on any denim dye range, on rope, on slasher. We can use this on open-end fabric, ring spun fabric, pure indigo, sulfur top, sulfur bottom, sulfur black. There are no limitations. This literally, we can have a trial done in just a few days as well too. We also can improve inventory management as well too, with less dips with our fabric. Julie, who is our creative director at CleanKore, used to be the global manager at Kohl's, and Kohl's rolled out CleanKore, and Julie was able to use much less fabric variations, much less dips in her supply chain, which led to a lot of different cost savings as well. Next slide. Oh, okay. Actually, go back one second, Pauline. I'll finish this here. So how does this work? So with CleanKore, what we do is we go into the dye range and we work with the denim mill. We can either replicate a fabric or we can make a brand new fabric. If we replicate a fabric, we just take their existing recipe. We create our own CleanKore recipe. And then our team, we're strategically placed throughout the world. We have reps in US, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, India, China, and Hong Kong. And we'll either go live to the mill or we'll go remotely online. We did a number of trials during COVID as well. But we'll go there, we'll walk the die range with them, we'll run the CleanKore specifications with the mill. They're back up and running the next day. But what we see is by using the CleanKore process, we're reducing chemicals, energy, water, and production time. That fabric then is followed over to the garment manufacturer. And our team works hand in hand with the different garment manufacturers to either replicate an existing look in a more sustainable way, or if it's a new look, we create beautiful new fabric collections with them. Perfect. This is an example of what we do. This is one of our recent studies done at the Denim Laundry on an indigo trial for one of our partners, and I believe this is now in production as well. But we're because we have that ring dye beautiful effect, several different benefits occur, especially at that garment manufacturer as well too. We're using much less water because there's a faster garment wash down at the garment manufacturer, and that wash down stays the same at the whole laundry test for the end user as well. So you're using much less water, much less time. We're also using a lot less chemicals, not just potassium permanganate neutralization, but other chemicals as well. We're reducing steam consumption. We're reducing machine time. We're taking out one hydro cycle, one drying cycle, dry process cycle. We're also eliminating the usage of stones. So in this, we're fully heavily reducing GHG emissions, and I'll get into that a little bit later on too. And we're trying to keep everything green. You know, the industry in denim uses the EIM score from Genealogia. Our goal is to create a EIM score of 33 or lower for every single garment that we work with our suppliers on. Again, Julie, who was with Kohl's, she rolled this out at Kohl's. They now have this in production, going into the US stores right now, and every one of her garments went from medium or high EIM scores all the way to green scores. So a major reduction. Another added benefit to a CleanKore is just the production time reduction. We're taking garments from 5 hours down to 2.5 by using leaner, greener, reduced wash recipes with CleanKore. And that's the huge benefit of our team. Next slide. Who have we worked with? We have now CleanKore and has been in production, been in stores or currently on stores for several US and European brands who've seen the benefits of our technology. On the European side, H&M did a denim redesign project where CleanKore was part of, and you can see us just click on the QR tag on the hang tags, and we're on there. QR code on the hang tags, and we're on there. Ocean is now in production. S. Oliver is now in production, and Target Australia is now in production. On the US side, we've done high-end Levi's Well Threads program in the past. We're currently doing Walmart, Sam's Club, Men's Warehouse, and Kohl's. Walmart is especially, it was a great initiative for us as well too. Walmart was really concerned. They wanted to get the right savings, so they hired Bluin, which is the preeminent established third-party auditor for the denim industry. And Bluin was able to go in and map the savings at the denim mill with CleanKore, map the denim savings at the denim laundry with CleanKore, and Walmart was able to get legal's backing, which is great at this time now, to put CleanKore on their hang tags, showing over 30% reduction in chemical usage and in water consumption. Next slide. Cool. So we're a proven technology. We have over 10 million garments throughout, I think, the end of 2024. We'll have over 10 million garments out in production as well. We've done over 300 different trials, have over 30 different mill partners throughout the world, including in India and China and Bangladesh and in Pakistan especially too. we have we're trying to create a solution for any brand, whatever it is. If you want water reduction, great. If you want GHG emissions, which is our top initiative, as well as AII, you know, we're showing in between I think 31 and 66% on the AI website that's been verified by both AI and Blue as well too. Um, and there's no limitations with CleanKore. We can set this thing up in a matter of a couple of days. There's no fees for trials, no fees for ourselves or for marketing. We just have an agreement with the mill, and the mill has a small fee that's either absorbed throughout the savings. So we want to have every single CleanKore garment either cost neutral or cost savings for the end user. We don't want to have any limitations. So you get the sustainability benefit at no additional cost.